I know what you're thinking, and I understand. No, I know. Let's just call it a winter break, but I'm back. January 6th, 2025. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and all of those things. Whew. Okay. This is my first day back at work in office since before Christmas, and I surely didn't mean to take the break that I took, but I took the break that I took, and now I'm back. So, hi, hello. I have returned. I'm walking. It's 6:40 in the morning, and 75 Hard Part 2 starts today. Hello there. I have returned. It might have felt like a very long time, but I don't think it's been that long. It's been 1 month. I have returned. I didn't leave. I didn't stop. I just pressed pause, but I have returned, guys. Hello, welcome back to Creating the Vision. My name is Deanna, and I have returned back from the holidays. I'm getting back in the flow of things. As you all can see, I hopped right back into it when it was time to go to work. So let's say 2 weeks off. Not intentionally, I was just busy with the holidays and I really enjoyed myself. So I just allowed. In the back of my head, I'm just like, wow, I'm ruining all of my hard work. But I hopped right back into it. So that made me happy that I had the willpower to do so. So the holidays were very eventful. Me and my family, we hosted this year and it was very eventful. We had an appetizer party. I will insert footage of the appetizer party. Phenomenal. I also made chocolate chip cookies from scratch for the very first time and I went crazy. I made like 80 cookies, and that was basically everybody's gifts for the holidays, but I'm adding that in because when I say break, baby, break. Wasn't no discipline. I ain't go outrageous, but I enjoyed myself. I had a phenomenal time, I must say. Phenomenal time. It was great. But you know, a life with no discipline is too wild for me. Boundaries are necessary, and those 2 weeks showed me how necessary boundaries is. I looked at my walking pad every single day and walked right past it so that I could go get me a cookie to warm up. Very realistic. I didn't feel like no sense of disappointment in myself that week, but the week before I was going through like an emotional roller coaster, and something in my mind told me go to Chick-fil-A. I don't think I went, but I'm just like, oh, this is emotional eating. I text my brother, and I'm gonna put his page on here too because he's going crazy on his channel. I text him and I was just like, I see why people emotionally eat. When I say I was just observing my life like I wasn't inside of my life, and I'm just like, this life is trash, respectfully. It's okay, you're doing the best that you can. I'm like, this life is trash. I'm like, I don't like this, I don't like this is like that. And in my head I said, nothing is right. But you know what is right? What's always right? Some food. You feel me? And so the thought of like, everything in your life is not satisfying you, and you just like, I actually can't do anything about it, but I can go get a phenomenal meal right now, and that's gonna satisfy me. That's going to bring my emotions up to a certain extent. So I really understood emotional eating at that point, and I never thought that I was an emotional eater. I know I enjoy eating. I enjoy nice flavors, you feel me? But at that moment, I'm like, I'm not having a good day. I want something good. And it was like, oh, I actually really don't remember if I went to Chick-fil-A or not. But that was a very challenging week for me because my life just felt like it was crumbling in shambles. And I hated it. I didn't want to do a thing. I didn't want to be at work. I didn't want to work for nobody. I didn't want to go do no walk. I didn't want to do no Pilates. I didn't want to do a thing. But what I wanted was some French fries, some hot sauce and some ranch to dip it in. You feel me? And I'm just like, wow, this is really what emotional eating stems from. When nothing else around you is looking or feeling how you want it to feel, you know by experience that the food that you have on the top of your brain, if you have that, it'll do. And after you eat it, you probably won't be happy. But I just thought about it, so I just understood right there. I really still don't remember if I went to Chick-fil-A or not, but it was the thought. I restarted 75 hard, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Restarting 75 hard, and I'm also going to be activating like the free trial of ClassPass, the app ClassPass, so that I can get out the house and start doing some fitness classes to make things a little bit more interesting. I just want to move my body in different ways, you know. Just trying out different activities. That's another thing when after becoming the age of 30, for me, I'm trying to find new things that I like. So I'm going to be taking some fitness classes, redoing 75 hard, doing fitness classes. What else? Of course, I'm not eating sweets again. I've had enough those 2 weeks during the holidays. Phenomenal time. Well worth it, I will say. And the thing is, it's just like, if you gonna go in the deep end, you just better make sure that you're the type of person that can get yourself back. And so I went real far deep and was having a blast. And now I'm back and I'm cool. You know, it was literally like cold turkey. I made a brown butter chocolate chip cookie skillet cake one day, and the next day I was just like, no more sweets. So you can do it if you can pull yourself out. And that's the balance of life. And that's the balance that I am trying to live by, because there's no way. I'm not gonna say no way, there's ways. But for the life that I see for myself and the vision that I'm creating, I'm still able to enjoy the sweets and the cookies and also have the body of my dreams. You feel me? It's honestly about balance. I can't be eating sweets every single day. And so 75 hard, round 2, no sweets again. And I'm just excited to go back into it with the experience that I've learned through my first round and turning things up a notch. Just doing the thing. So 75 hard, round 1, I lost 18 pounds. So yes, kudos to your girl. So like before the springtime, 70, it's either at spring or right before the springtime, I'll be done with 75 hard, round 2. And so if I can do another 18 pounds by March, oh, crazy. And then round 3 before the summertime, another 18. Oh, baby. Yeah. So I hope you all follow along again, and I hope newcomers come around for my Creating the Vision 75 Hard Part 2. I'm back, y'all. It wasn't no stop, and that's what I had to tell myself. I'm like, these were the thoughts that was going through my head. I'm like, dang, I'm really going crazy during the holidays. I'm gonna have to restart everything again. My fear was that when I hopped on the scale, all 18 pounds was gonna be back. And I wasn't getting on the scale. I'm like, you need to get on the scale so you can see the damage that you have done. And so when I looked and I only seen 4 pounds, I was like, I gained 4. And I was like, that ain't so bad. I'm okay with that. The bird okay too. Not okay, but okay enough. And so right now, I'm filming this on Sunday. I started on Monday, and from Monday to Sunday, I'm down those 4 pounds that I've gained during the holiday. So kudos, you feel me? Sugar is a drug like no other, okay? And I don't know the scientific details on it, but I haven't had any. And I've been walking during my steps at work and at home, and my low impact workouts. and hydrating. And so, somehow, some way, the magic and the science of the body said the weight that you gained during the holidays is gone now. So great. I'm back at my final 75 hard weight. So starting that back up so that we can get things rolling. So I'm very excited, and I hope you all enjoy the journey that I am continuously on. And it's 2025. Oh, happy New Year, happy January, happy all of the things. 2025, I'm not demanding that it be a phenomenal year for me, but I'm staying hopeful for the year. And so this is the start of 2025 and the start of my fitness in 2025. But I am excited for the fitness of this year because I just want to try a lot of things. And I'm open to those things. And yeah, so I'm going to be trying and exploring moving this body in new ways. You feel me? So that I can just play the healthy way, and wow out a little bit in the summertime with my well-earned physique. That is the goal and the vision that I see for myself 2025 health-wise. I'm just trying to have a good time, look good, feel good, look great, feel great, look sexy, and feel sexy. Yeah, and also be healthy. I am very excited for this round of 75 hard, and yeah, I'm just going to continue to do the things, and I will be back next week for check-in. I guess this could have been this is like a welcome back winter semester or something. This isn't like a check-in. We're gonna make next week a check-in. I am back. I have returned. Subscribe to follow along the journey, because also the creating the vision is going to transition. This is like creating the vision category health. It's also going to transition into other things because I'm about to do revamp my entire wardrobe also. So yes, follow along. I'm sharing my life. You guys are going to watch it. I'm going to be doing amazing things, and there's going to be shifts and transformations and great things. And I'm really doing it for myself because I can't wait to watch and document it all. I'm such a to myself type of person, and then when things happen, I'm like, oh, I wish I would have documented that. So, these are the times now that I'm documenting. So when I look back, I can see my complete journey. And I know it's going to be satisfying, and I'm excited, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. Checking out for now. This is Creating the Vision. I am Deanna. Subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next week.